I'm an associate professor in sports biomechanics at the University of Waikato. I view teaching as a personal challenge, and each year I try to improve myself and try out different strategies so I can better engage with students and find ways to assist them in their learnings.
She is easy to approach, but she also has so much experience and so much knowledge that she is willing to share with her students. She's also so enthusiastic about her topics, which makes it much more easy to engage as a student.
As the main biomechanics lecturer within my program, I'm also able to effectively scaffold students throughout the biomechanic curriculum. So going from first year to second year to third year and to postgraduate studies should they choose this pathway. I also believe that it's really important that we build a strong foundation in students. So I seek to integrate that foundational knowledge early on within the curriculum so that we can integrate some more complex topics later.
It's her willingness to go that extra mile for her students who are willing to do the same for her. If she sees that you're willing to make the effort and give the time, make the sacrifices for her, and you'll get the same back from her as well. We've got a really good relationship now. Even still today, I'll always go downstairs and ask her opinions on this and that, and vice versa if she needs me to do something for her.
Excellent teaching to me is one that is student-centered, one that is adaptable, and one that is fun and engaging. So I believe that students learn best when they know what to expect. From the get-go, students have access to the week-to-week content, and they know what that structure looks like.
The online resources that Kim provides for her students really enhances our learning. She uses interactive quizzes and multi-choice questions and diagrams to help us further expand our knowledge.
Through these methods, we can foster a sense of routine and a sense of security, which professional development has helped me understand can really help to reduce the anxiety in students across all students, including those that are neurodivergent. I teach because I enjoy sharing knowledge, and I enjoy helping others acquire that knowledge. I'm genuinely passionate about helping others learn, helping them grow, and seeing them achieve their goals, whatever that might be.